Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 16th August 2021 and the day is Monday. Today we are going to continue the chapter unit 1 plant life and chapter 1 the green world. Okay, and we recall what plants are living thing, and we can find plants in our surrounding. Plants are the habitat of living things, and it provide them food and shelter. And then we have different types of plants, and different types of and plants come into different sizes and shape as well. Okay, big plants are called trees and small plants are called herbs. Okay, and woody plants are called shrubs or bushes. Creepers, the plants which grow on the ground, they are called creepers. And climbers plants are those plants which have soft stems. Creepers plant, weak plants, the plants which have weak stems, they are called creepers. And climbers are, they have the plants they have soft stem. Okay, inshallah we do this exercise later. Okay, right now we start a topic. What are the different parts of a plant? What are the different parts of plant? As a human beings have a different parts of the body, same as it is plants have the different parts. Okay, plants are made up of different parts. Plants have roots. See, these are roots. A stem and leaves. These are leaves. Okay, root, stem and leaf. Many plants have flowers and fruit too. Many plants have flowers and fruit too. Okay, so plants are made up of different parts. Okay, roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Okay, now move on to fascinating fact. In fascinating fact, we have this exercise as well and we do it later. Fascinating facts. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plant in the world. It can grow up into 100 centimeter a day. A plant whose name is bamboo. Okay, it is the fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world, and it's grow up to 100 centimeter a day. It's grow up into 100 centimeter a day. Okay, so on the other hand, the saguro cactus is one of the slowest growing plant. In 10 years it grows only 2.5 centimeter. Okay, there's another plant whose name is the saguro's cactus. It's one of the slowest growing plant. This is the bamboo was the fastest and it is the slowest one, and it grows only 2.5 centimeter in 10 years. It grows 100 centimeter in a day. Okay, and it grows 2.5 centimeter in 10 years. Okay, it's amazing now. Okay, now after that we have a plant. What are the function of the parts of plant? These are the parts of the plant, and here we have their functions. Same as it is, we have different parts of our body. Each body part has its own function, not different function. So same as it is, of different parts of a plant have the uh, different function. Roots. The roots of a plant usually grow under the ground. Where the roots grow, as you all know, that roots grow under the ground. See, these all are called roots. They hold the plant in the soil. They also take in water from the soil for the plant. We give a plant a water. We give a plant water now, or we water a plant, so the soil absorb it. The soil absorb it, and the root take the water from the soil. Okay, and roots grow under the ground. Now move on to the next page. Stem. The stem bears almost all the parts of the plant above the ground. The stem carries water from the roots to the leaves and food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Okay, see, the stems bear almost of the plant. So the whole plant is stand on the or bear on the on the stem, okay, from ground to top. The stem carries water from the roots to the leaves. The water carry the stem, this is a stem, and it carries water. Stem is this, and it carries water from roots, and it take the water to the or to all over the plant. He give water to leaves and fruits and flowers as well, okay. And stem take food from the leaves and uh, give to other parts of a plants as well, okay. The arrows show the path of water in a plant. See, these arrows show the path, mean way, so they show the way of water in a plant. There are different types of stem. Every plant have different type of stem. Some stems are green, some stems are woody, some stems are thick, some stems are thin. What this is, that some stems of a plant are green, and some stems of a plant are woody. It's look like a wood. It's like a wood. Okay. Some stems are thick. Some plant stems are thick, and some stems are thin, and some plant stems are thin. Okay. Now what we learned today, we learned about different parts of a plant and its function. So today we learn about roots and stems. In the next class, inshallah, we learn about leaves, flowers, and fruits and seeds. Okay. For today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.